If your Ford Fusion is refusing to launch Apple CarPlay, the solution is usually a simple settings tweak or a specific cable swap. Statistically, over 85% of connection issues are solved just by switching to an official Apple Lightning or USB-C cable. Before you head to the dealer, let's walk through the DIY diagnostic steps to get your maps back on screen. Start with a soft reset of the sync system by holding the power and C-cup buttons until the screen reboots. Your iPhone might be the culprit if Siri is disabled or if CarPlay is restricted in your screen time settings. If software isn't the issue, you might have a blown fuse or a physical hardware failure in the USB media hub. While wired connections are standard, if you use a wireless adapter, the troubleshooting moves to signal interference. As you can see, the vast majority of these issues are resolved without spending a dime on professional repairs. Sometimes the handshake file gets corrupted, requiring you to delete the connection from both the car and the phone. Keep an original Apple cable in your glove box to rule out connection drops during your drive. Remember that these infotainment systems are just computers, and a fresh reboot solves most software hangs. If these steps helped get your CarPlay running again, hit that subscribe button for more Fusion troubleshooting tips.